Find the exact values of each trigonometric function: cosine of 150 degrees, tangent of negative 4 pi over 3. When we find the exact values of these trigonometric functions, it helps to refer to the unit circle that we constructed. At the minimum, we should know the special angles: pi over 6 or 30 degrees, pi over 4 or 45 degrees, pi over 3 or 60 degrees, 0 degrees, and 90 degrees. 90 degrees is pi over 2. The coordinate at these points are: at 0 degree, x equals 1, y equals 0. At 90 degrees or pi over 2, x is 0, y equals 1. At pi over 4 or 45 degrees, x is root 2 over 2 and y is root 2 over 2. At 30 degrees or pi over 6, x is longer than y. X is root 3 over 2, y is 1/2. And at pi over 3, x is shorter than y. So x is 1/2, y is root 3 over 2. The multiple of these angles are the special angles on the unit circle, and we will be able to evaluate the exact value. 150 degrees is a multiple of 30 degrees, and so we will be able to use the unit circle to obtain the exact value. Negative 4 pi over 3 is the multiple of pi over 3, 4 times pi over 3 negative, and so we will be able to evaluate the exact values. We just need to know which quadrant each of the angle locates so that we can obtain the appropriate sign as well, whether it is positive or negative. Recall that we always measure the angle from the positive horizontal x-axis. 150 degrees is a positive angle, so we would travel counterclockwise. 90 degrees, if we go all the way to the negative horizontal axis, then this is 180 degrees, but we only want 150 degrees, so we will stop somewhere in the middle. This angle is 150 degrees. And then we compute the reference angle. The reference angle to 150 degrees is an acute angle, and that angle is the shortest measurement from the radius to the horizontal axis, and that is 30 degrees. And so we would go to 30 degrees from the first quadrant that we just copied down. At the 30 degrees, cosine of 30 degrees is root 3 over 2. Cosine of 30 degrees is root 3 over 2. And so cosine of 150 degrees is plus or minus root 3 over 2. And we know that in the second quadrant, cosine is negative, and so the answer is negative root 3 over 2. Similarly, to find tangent of negative 4 pi over 3, we first need to know which quadrant it lies in. This is a negative angle, and so from the positive horizontal x-axis, we would need to travel clockwise. 1 pi over 3 all the way to 4 pi over 3 negative. So this is negative pi or negative 3 pi over 3. And we would need to go another pi over 3. And so we stop somewhere here because this quarter is pi over 2. But we only need to go another pi over 3. This angle is negative 4 pi over 3 going clockwise. The reference angle to this angle is therefore pi over 3. Recall that the reference angle is the magnitude of the angle, that is the sorted distance from the horizontal axis to the radius. We then go to the unit circle and locate pi over 3. At pi over 3, tangent of pi over 3 is y over x, or root 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 2, or simply root 3. And so we know that tangent of negative 4 pi over 3 is going to be either plus or minus the square root of 3. Negative 4 pi over 3 is an angle in the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant tangent is negative, and so we have tangent of negative 4 pi over 3 equals negative root 3.